Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in near Key to Memphis, and today I just want to talk to you about what kind of credit score you need to buy a house. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, well, welcome back. There's just a lot of misconceptions about what credit score you need to be able to buy a home. So recently it was reported that 24% of people that rent think their credit score is too low. Here's kind of the breakdown of the FICO score between 300 actually to 850. So 16% of people have very poor score, which is 300 to 579. 18% have fair score, which is 580 to 669. 21% have a good score, which is 670 to 739. 25% have very good, 740 to 799, and 20% is exceptional. Well, thank heavens we're not waiting for all the exceptional people to buy houses or we might be in trouble. So that's just a breakdown of kind of what that is. And there's actually a lot of programs out there if your credit score is like a 580. The Federal Housing Authority has some programs that would help you buy a house at that credit score, so you may be surprised. And VA does not have like a limit on what your credit score can be. And USDA, another one, theirs kind of vary as well. So you may be surprised. So we've got lots of different options if you want to talk about those. But as you can see, none of them say 700 for a credit score. So you might be in better shape than what you think. Most scores in last year, the FICO score was 726 for an average, but again, there's different programs, to work on you for that. And the number's been dropping, so I'm attaching a graph so you can kind of see where it was, and that's kind of what happened. Like in '08, it did kind of change when the market shifted and the credit scores were higher, but now they're kind of getting back more in line. So we'll let you see that as well. But 84% of Americans right now have a score that will allow them to buy a house. So if you'd like to check out what that is, if you have any questions about that, happy to help you and talk about that further. And if it is a little bit low, we can talk about ways on how to get that up for you to get you ready to be able to buy a house if that's in the market, for you this year. So if you have any other questions, just reach out and let us know. We're happy to help. 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.